Bras haven't changed for over 50 years, but women and our way of life have. We're business leaders, astronauts, soldiers, coaches, movers, shakers, and magnificent moms. Old-fashioned bras simply don't work for our modern lifestyle. That's why 80% of women today wear the wrong size and shape bra, with straps that fall down, underwires that pinch, clips and hooks that dig in, seams that cause bulging back fat and underarm uglies, lumpy padding, and not enough support. But now you can eliminate all your bra problems with Air Bra, the lightest air bra that shapes, supports, and styles for the most flattering figure ever.
It's perfect. It's like an invisible bra. Nothing's digging in your back and you're not reaching around. You can just put it on and you feel wonderful.
Air Bra's Forever Fit technology replaces painful wires, hooks, and straps with special air knit fabric that supports and lifts in all the right places. And it's so light, it's like wearing a second skin. You'll forget you have it on. Go from flimsy to flattering, bulging to beautiful, and lumpy to lovely. And because it's seamless, Air Bra lays smooth, so say goodbye to embarrassing back fat. The Wonder Weave Extra Oomph Band gives you support without the suffering and never rolls up. Wide straps fit perfectly and never slip off. And full coverage cups custom fit to any size, keeping everything in place, no matter how petite or busty. Sizing is simple. The size you wear in a shirt is the size you need for Air Bra. Look, Air Bra is also a stylish fashion accessory. No matter where you work or where you go, you can even sleep in Air Bra for proper support day and night. But wait, we're going to make this offer absolutely fabulous. Call in the next 8 minutes and we'll triple the offer and send you a third Air Bra free. You'll get each color: sexy nude, midnight black, and pure white.